Welcome to the November update on the Lance Corporal Leon Darup's Interstate 70 Missouri River Bridge near Rocheport. Featured in this month's construction update include traffic impacts along I-70, deck pouring, and the effects of cold weather on the project as we move into winter. As work continues to progress along I-70 on the new bridge, deck pouring is the new phase that crews will be entering into. This includes pouring along the new bridge. With that work starting, weather will be the major factor in the progression of this portion of the project. Let's hear from Senior Construction Inspector Nicole Samer for an update.
We will be continuing to have concrete pours throughout December. They're scheduled about a week and a half apart. We're continuously moving across the deck. Right now, with the work associated with deck pours, there really isn't any traffic. All of our concrete deliveries are occurring the same way they have been throughout the duration of the project. We're all offline and shouldn't see any impacts to traffic.
During the pouring portion, there won't be any direct traffic impacts. All pours will be about 1 week from each other and will take place off of the roadway. Crews will be working from the west end of the new bridge to the east end of the new bridge. If you're traveling on I-70 in the area, there could be some work in the shoulders or on the median, and we know that it's exciting to see and you may want to look, but we want to make sure that everyone stays safe. So be sure to slow down, obey all traffic signs, and stay focused on the road. Don't forget, you can see day-to-day updates on the project's progress at modot.org/RocheportBridge, including live cameras. That's all for this month. Thanks for watching. Be sure you subscribe to get the latest updates on this project and others across the Central District. And as always, stay safe. Be sure to buckle up whenever you travel and put your phone away when you're behind the wheel. We'll see you next time.